Hello, so this is the day one and I have no intro for this vlog since everyone was in a rush, including me. But the moment we arrived at Siargao, we ate at Met na Met Cafe for our brunch since later this afternoon we will proceed with the land tour. So buckle up as I bring you to Siargao. We are currently staying here at Tropical Temple and it's our first time here in Siargao, so let's explore it together. For our land trip, it's a tour package set by Gotmark. Pupungo Beach and Sugba Lagoon is included in the tour, but apparently it was high tide at time and also it would take a 30-minute motorbike ride from our hotel to these places. Hello, so it's the next day and you know the drill. If you're traveling with your family, you had to move quick as a horse. As for breakfast, we ate at Met na Met Cafe since it was included in our island tour package.
I want to ask you something. Hi sir, good morning po sir. Sir, ano po masasabi niyo sa out of 10 dito sa Siargao? Bakit pala ako na yun? Ikaw ma'am.
Iba-vlog yun niya.
Ma'am, sa out of 10 po ma'am, ano po masasabi niyo dito sa Siargao?
Ang daming apam.
Ma'am, apam naman po ako eh. May pagkukulang pa ba?
Sunog na apam.
And here naman i-meet yung tour guide namin sa island na pupuntahan. In case you're traveling to Siargao or you're planning to go to Siargao, I highly recommend to ask for Barbie or Alvin as your tour guide. Since they're not just familiar with the place, also they're working students, it would be a big help to them.
Say hi, Flares, to my vlog. Kasi ayaw niya maligo. May iiwan ka sa boat. ayaw mo lumangoy. So katatapos lang ng lunch. Hindi na ako nakapag-intro earlier since rush nga. Since ang daming ang tawag dyan, ang daming turista here sa Siargao. And hindi na ako nakapag-intro since kailangan namin magmadali. Again, for the second time. And yeah, anyways, I'll just chill around. Magpapaitin lang ako ng bongga. Papapantay ko lang yung skin. Hola, so today is June 16 and it's a Father's Day. So, nagpa-reserve yung sister ko ng dinner date with our dad sa Siago, and we're going there later. We're just waiting na makatapos siya maligo. Nasa labas ako ng lobby ng room namin, kaya medyo maingay. Naka-full glam ako pero yung hair ko, not totally full glam, ang feeling. Yung hair ko medyo wet pa, so hindi talaga siya ganun ka-fix yet. So, I'll see you later. Bye! Hi! So, we're on the way to Siagos. Nagpapa-picture lang yung nanay ko sa labas ng lobby. As usual. So, I'll see you later. Hi! So, we're at Siagos. Nasa comfort room ako and my hair is still wet. Na-stress na talaga ako kasi sobrang dry niya na, and we're just waiting for our order, and I don't know if we're going to, check the place out later since nasa Tourism Road na kami. Yung may mga bar, if you've been to Siargao already. So, yeah, I'll see you later I'll update you later pag natuloy kami. Bye! Life update. Nag-dry na yung hair ko and I saw and I meet Latte. Say hi, Latte. Busy na busy siya. I miss my dog so much. He's so bait. Ay, si Bebe naman. Pero guys, nag-dry na yung hair ko. Natutuwa ako. Oh my God. Ang bait niya. Natutuwa din ako sa kanya. Say hi, Latte. Oh my God, natutuwa ako. Nag-dry na yung hair ko. Bye-bye, Latte. Ate na siya. Pasok ka na dun. Ayun nga guys, umalis. Pa, baby. Bagay natin. Wala ka na yung ako. So, kakauwi lang namin galing sa Siargao. Siargao ba yun? Yung fine dine-in na restaurant / hotel na pinuntahan namin to celebrate Father's Day, and nasa lobby ako nakatambay since tinatamad ba ako mag-impake ng damit na mga nagamit ko. I mean, tinatamad pa ako mag-ayos, so I'm staying here. Everyone is currently going to like places and I'm here all alone. I mean, kasama naman ako pero nandito ako mag-isa. So, yeah. I'll see you tomorrow since may tour pa kami
ng hapon naman na makakatulog ako na mas mahaba-haba this time. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
For our third day, we didn't hire any tour guide but rather we rented some motorbikes so we can roam around, visit places, and go to Magpupongpo Lagoon. Since according from our tour guide yesterday, the best hour to visit the lagoon is around morning when it's low tide or late afternoon before it became high tide again. If there's a curse that I would warmly embrace, it's the Siargao curse. I myself is a witness of this curse. It's either you stay and live on the island or come back again and again.